they misunderstand the concept of the Holy Trinity. Like our beloved Jews and the Muslim world. The reason I'm mentioning this, I want to get to something very foundational. They refer to themselves as the monotheists. Monotheists mean they believe in God in their own way, but this God is just one and one only. Mono, uno, one. Now, if God is just one and one only, there is a problem. They both believe that God speaks. God orders things into being, into existence. So God speaks. And we see that very vividly clear in the very beginning of the Old Testament, Genesis chapter 1. The very beginning of the Old Testament, which, by the way, the Old Testament, the Torah, is shared. It is written in Hebrew. So our beloved Jewish people believe in the Torah. So as the Christians. Our beloved Muslims took some parts and they've changed a few parts, which they had no right to do that since it's not their book. But regardless, so in the beginning we see God speaks. If God is just one and one only, when He spoke, who was He speaking with? Who was He speaking to? If He's just one, the one can't talk to itself. The reason as humans we are able to talk to our own self is because we are not just one. We are one in three and three in one. I exist. I have a brain. I have a life. I can breathe. I have a life. I have a brain. And I exist. Is my existence my brain? No. Is my brain my life? No. Is my life my existence or my brain? No. Am I three people? No, I'm one. But I'm one in three and three in one. I have a body, a soul, and a spirit. I'm actually a soul. I have a body and a spirit. I'm three, but I'm one human being. You know why, my beloveds? Love, that's what I'm trying to get to. Love can only exist when there is two and more. Love cannot exist when there is only one and one only. When there is two and more, love is made possible. I love myself because I'm not one. I am three in one and one in three. And when I meet another person, two and more, we begin to know each other. We begin to love one another. So love is only made possible, can only come into existence and into play when there is two and more. So God, the Father, loves the Son, and the bond between the Father and the Son is the Holy Spirit. The relationship, the bond of this relationship is the Holy Spirit. The Father loves the Son loves the Father. There is more than one in the nature of God, but all are one God, like the human